Today's a great day to take a field trip out in the neighborhood here at White Oak in Arlington. So what I want to show you today is the Rhodes floor plan. It closes in a couple of weeks, so this may be our last chance to take a peek at it. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths that really feel like 4 because one is a Jack and Jill, 3-car garage, dual entrance into the laundry from the primary suite. Talking about that primary suite, 2 big walk-in closets, plus the freestanding soaker tub, plus dual vanities, plus a shower that is out of this world. What am I missing here? You have the sunroom as an added bonus on this one as well, and a fabulous kitchen. So what are we waiting for? We're wasting time. We're burning daylight. Let's go.
Icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find some space. I could be the word to your missing piece, that extra sentimental kind of chemistry. Some people make it hard, to me that isn't the case. 'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall into us. I'm the perfect mixer, Saturday night and the rest of your life in it. One with a heart would agree. It's so easy falling in love with me. The way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share a walk in Central Park. I could be fresh air, might be the girl of your dreams. There's no need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately. And maybe one night could turn into 3. Well, I'm down to see, 'cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall into us. I'm the perfect mixer, Saturday night.
So tell me, what'd you think about it? That Rhodes floor plan really is something, isn't it? If that's not the right floor plan for you, then stop by the model home. Let me help you find the one it is.